Welcome to NextMatter. NextMatter is a tool that helps you automate your workflows no matter how complex they are. To help you connect different tools within one workflow, we're building no-code integrations. These are the integrations you can set up on the go and get up and running in seconds. Let's look at a simple case of checking insurance premium. I've created a sheet where I calculate the premium based on the age of the car and its value. I've also created a simple workflow to update the data in the sheet, calculate the premium, and show me the result. I'm typing the data and starting the workflow. The workflow updates the sheet and shows the calculated result back in the workflow. And here it is, my premium calculation. And that's my updated sheet. Now let's look backstage at the no-code integrations. To integrate Google Sheets, I first need to connect my account in the Automations library. It's a connection hub for all the apps. I connect with my Google credentials. Now I can go back and show you my flow. I've created a no-code step to update the data. To add such a step, all I need to do is click. I select what I want to do, which is to update rows in my valuation sheet, and select my sheet from the drop-down. It's a simple pick and choose action. Then I select my values as data references. I've provided them already in step 1 of my workflow, so I don't need to enter them again. I'm just pointing to the data that's already in the system. If I need to use any data from the updated sheet later on, I can create a variable. I just pick and choose from the list and can reuse this data in a later step. If I need to see the details of my no-code integration step from a completed workflow, I can click the completed workflow and have a look at the technical data saved in a step. I just expand and see all the values. With NextMatter, you can connect and exchange data with external tools in seconds. Check us out and try NextMatter free of charge.